What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Synthetix. I haven't covered this in a while. I think the last time, I'm not even sure if I covered this year, but I had to cover it today. I mean, it's been bullish, alright? I actually shared in the premium group when like Synthetix or SNX, I'm not sure how I'm going to call this in this video. But I already shared that, like, in terms of market structure, this is just very bullish. All right, you can see that it's been mainly bouncing off the 100 EMA right here, and then right here it had a bit of a drop last week, of course, with the bearish momentum coming from Bitcoin. But when it retook $3, which was at that point of time the most important resistance level, I said, you know, if it holds that, it's probably going to go up higher. So in the end, it did. It rallied quite a bit higher, all the way up to 3.7. And now the big question is well, what's next and what's going on? I mean, Synthetix is so bullish. What's happening? All right, so that's what we'll talk about. In terms of, I mean, Synthetix right now, just in general, decentralized exchanges and especially trading exchanges where you can also like do some extensive trading, perpetuals, etc. They're doing good, all right. They're something that are they're like it's in demand. A lot of funds are investing in it. There's a lot of money to be made, and apart from that, there's also Perps V3 for Synthetix coming up, and there's a launch on Base. All bullish, all right. So it's just a great project, all right. And great projects, when the market is relatively bullish, which is the case right now, they rally. All right, so I think that's going on. Perhaps there's a little bit of manipulation involved as well. You can see that there's quite a lot of volume coming from BK, SuperX, and BTSC. Usually, if a coin is manipulated, those are exchanges where volume comes from. But in this case, it's not crystal clear. All right, so the big question is will Synthetix rally on, and where will it go? And I think the answer at this moment, I think the most likely scenario is yes. Because if you take a look at the open interest for Synthetix, it is growing, all right, and it doesn't look like it's stopping. Like, it had a bit of a drop in the last hour, but what did that do? That just was because of Bitcoin. Here you can take a look at Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin had a bit of a pullback. If I can click that all the way, Bitcoin had a bit of a pullback right here, and most altcoins followed that right here. Most altcoins followed that. But Synthetix, I mean, in the end, it did not cause the momentum to really drop. It is growing again right now. And purely technically, it looks very bullish. So I would say that Synthetix is going higher. The main next resistance level, I would say, is around $4. And then after that, we have to start talking. I mean, $4 only is a price target for me, because it's a psychological level. And because there is as you can see, if I can draw this real quick, and there's a 0.618 FIB there. So that's the only reason why that's my price target. Otherwise I would have said 4.2. So I think it's most likely that Synthetix will continue up there, all right, after it breaks above its main resistance, now 3.7. So what I expect from here is that Synthetix respects its main support level right here between 3.5 and 3.35. And then eventually that will turn into a bullish breakout above 3.7, a move up to $4, and probably later also 4.2. That's what I expect. All right. Now, does that mean that will happen? No, of course not. But I mean, given everything we look at, like Bitcoin is also very strong right now, which is great to see. But Bitcoin is very strong. The momentum for Synthetix is very strong. This just looks most likely. Now, if for some reason Synthetix tests its support between 3.35 and 3.5 and it breaks below that level, I was wrong. All right, because that's a bearish breakout, and then it's more likely that we'll get price movement like this again. All right, so that's a possibility. It just doesn't look likely given everything that we can see about Synthetix right now. All right, so that's my analysis. Those are all of my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great day. And if you're interested in signals, profitable signals, or my premium, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find more info. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.